Learn how to set the position of TCP. If you let the robot linkage with position J7 and J8 in this page 7 and 8 to 6 point is position of TCP. We first we find this point. You can see here no problem. We now test this point. Let the touch go here and record point 1 2 3 7 exercise 1 2 3 and 7 is here is 7 and this turntable is 8 9 don't say it 9 is robot track. We only set 7 to 8 to 6 point. Okay, we now let the robot moving here. We test 7.1 position. Okay, we move. Moving to this point, TCP point. First, let the touch master, and this one we touch must. Then please in this page, moving just use the card. Just 3 go down to this point. Okay, we're now moving the touch. Go here. And please you can see it. The now J7 and J8 is 0 position, right? 0 position. J and this one is J point 8.1. This one is 0 degree, 0 point, home point, and this one 8.2 is turntable go to 13 degree, and 8.3 is 16 degrees. We know the touch now in 0 home, 0 degree. You can see it. We now only test only record. We now test this point, the 8.2 8.2, let the J8 turntable turn 13 degrees. 13 degrees. The robot touch not don't move it. Only can move it up, left and right, and the front and back. Okay. The touch degree don't change it. Only move it J1, J2, J3. We know move it. Okay. First choose the positional, and let the J2 is J8, move it 13 degree. The now turntable J8 is 13 degrees. We now point here. The robot not moving. Okay. Now we let the next, let the touch go here. Go this point. Only go up the left and only use the J1, J2, J3. Here it don't move it. And J1, J2 only move the J1, J2, J3. Here it doesn't move it. Let the robot touch go here. Okay. We know you first change the card. Use the card and the touch go up a little. With the use the J3. Let the touch go up a little. Then use the J2, moving the touch, go here. And the J1, let the touch. And go down a little. Okay, change the Y, go this point again, Okay, after remove the here, we then according to record this one point 8.2 is here. Okay. Next test 8.3. Let the turntable turn. Now here is 13 degrees. Let the turntable to 16 degrees. We test again. Okay. We know the touch, move the 3 point here. You can check it. J8 is 16 degrees. 6 degrees. And the touch, that's here. Only move the J1 in card. Move it J1, J2, J3. Here it doesn't move it. And the positional only move it J2, J1 and J3 doesn't move it. Doesn't let the track go up, go left and go. Doesn't move it. Okay. Only moving J8. Okay. Now here the touch in 8.3 position. We must here choose the 8.3 record. Is it? Have a change it. Okay. now the 8.8 TCP J8 TCP have a set it. We now test J7, the same. We let you know see it. Okay. J7 exercise TCP. We first let the touch go 70 point and 8J8 exercise 0 home point the same. Just we here. If you first test 8.1, the 8.1, the TCP is the same 7.8 or 7.1. We record here again. Okay? 0. The positional 0. The same point we record. 7.2. 7.2. This position. Let the J7 moving the 16 degree. This exercise will go turn here 16 degree. We first let the robot go to safe position. Okay. First use the card. Let the back. We first let go down. We change the speed to 5%. Move it just straight. And let the touch go here. Okay. Go here. And then choose the positional. Move it J7 exercise to 16 to 13 degree. Okay. Move it. J7 is J1. Must choose the positional. Don't use the joint and the card. Joint and the card is moving the robot, and the position when you moving the positional by hand, by manual, you use the positional. Move the J1. J1 is J7. J2 is J8. J3 is J9, and the J4 is J10. We first moving J1 to 13 degree. That's it. Move it. No. This one is only one hand. Sorry. Now the position J7 exercise is here is 13 degree. You see it? 13 degree. Here. We now let the touch. Let us touch. Go here. Only move the J5 or J4. Let it touch. Let it touch here. You know, you see it. And this one degree is 19 degree. You see it, okay? We now move it. After moving, I will show you the touch position. Now, J7 is 19. Is 16 degree. We see the position. See the position. See the position. Touch the position. Master let the touch. The here is 19 degree. We use this one. Test it. And master let the touch is 19 degree. You see it? Master let the touch 19 degree. We now test we now record this position. Yeah. Record okay. And 7.3 position. Let the J7 to 16 degree and let it touch here. Only move the J4 and J this one and let touch here. You know, you see, you will test it. Let it touch. You know, the J7 is in 16 degree. You see it, 16 degree, right? And the touch. You see it. You see it. Master 19 degree, you know, about, and then choose the 7.3 record. Okay. After recorded, we now only use this button. That is the controller auto position record. We first use the 8 test 8 TCP, and then the now is 7. The 2 exercise finished. Here choose this one, and 1 and 2 the same. The means is 7 exercise and 8 exercise and 8 exercise linked, which was the on. The exercise, this one is 3 because this one is 2 exercise and this one is 1 exercise. The controller only 9 exercise linked, you know, and the robot in here is 8, and another is robot in the track can link, you know. If you test 9 exercise TCP, use this track, and one point is 0, and 2 is here, is left, and 3 is right, and then guide away is use this button. This controller only one way is robot and the positional two positional link, and another way is robot and the track link. Don't use the robot and the track and the positional link. Know this function. Know this function. We now choose this one, positional. Get the robot and the two axis positional link. Choose here. That's called success. To master save it. Master save it. And save it. Okay. It's success. We know how to change the task linked with position. We see the here. Okay. We use the controller with the controller. Check it. First check choose the position. Choose the position. Choose the position. We only use the J5 in positional, and then use the J5 and the J6. Change the touch if linkage with positional. We test it. We choose the J5, this one, in the seat. You can see the touch. Follow the position. You can see it, the touch, right? You can see the robot and the same and the seven size linkage. If the degree not 19 degree, not enough, and it's right. Okay. Only check the touch, moving and the exercise moving, and moving the seven exercise the direction the same. The TCP is okay. If the robot moving direction and J7 the direction is not is different. The TCP is set not good. You can see it. We use the just change the speed to 15%. We use the J5. You can see it, the top. The robot follow this point with move it with 7. Okay, we move the touch to here. We change the turntable. TCP is greater or low. Okay. We first choose the position, and then press this button. Move the J6. Check the touch. Okay. You can see it. The touch. Follow the robot. Follow this point. You can see it. The position. Go down. Good. You can see it. What? Follow. after just J5 and J6 test check it. Here it's great. If moving the direction is wrong, must test again, test again. We now test